Day number 66 coming up. It's finding the splits in nature.
Namaste yogis.
It's Goga, kinda like yoga. 2 years in the game, 78 postures later. It is clear hip openers are the big boys or girls in yoga. From sitting ones, lunges, squats, goddesses, hamstring stretchers, including the inversions. With this foundation, I'm convinced that we are ready to take a 90-day journey towards the mother of them all. They call it Hanumasana, monkey, or as most of you know it, the splits. Enjoy the ride.
Doing crazy dreaming.
let's try that again on the right side. So take your right leg into half split and then keep sliding the back knee toward the back of the mat, and then gently start sinking your hips down to the ground. You can use the support of the blocks to keep the weight of the torso above your hips. And then from here, you can even slide the blocks under your groin and just see whether the groin can totally melt and rest on the block. Pressing your palms on the ground, you can even rest them on your knees. You can even try to play around with a twist here. Oof. I'm even trying to open my wings here. Inhaling and exhaling. Breathing in and out, feeling that deep stretch. And eventually you can kiss your knee. And then when you're ready, press your hands down, coming back up. So you stay here for about 90 seconds. Inhaling and exhaling. And then when you're ready, hands to your heart center, namaste. Hi guys. Oof.